Alright, so here I have the Sony BT4000, I think it was. Trying to remember what the model is. Actually, it's right back here. So it is a Sony. If I can get this thing to focus here. BT4000P. As you can see, it is a correct model, and the reason I have it open, as you can see here, I managed to get it all nice and open. It's actually fairly easy once you get it all going. These are all the parts. So here's the internals and pretty much everything you got. The reason I opened it up is because, of course, it's draining the battery and I want to see what's going on there. But I just finished talking to the tech support online, or chatting with them, and basically all they said was, okay, go ahead and change the battery, internal battery, because that's all the information that that person had. I was going to open it anyways, but as you can see, there is no battery internally on this head unit. You know, I'll just put it towards the light here so it can't be seen. This is basically the bottom of the board, and even when I look, let me see right here, right under the board, well, there's nothing there because it's all just a PCB or underneath. So there are no components. All the components are here, and this is the CD part of it that just basically plugs into that plug right there, and then it's all the covers. So I want to kind of basically do a little video to show that there is no internal battery. So I figured that was just for the clock anyway, if it did have one. My clock and everything, all those settings are fine in the car or in this unit, but it still was draining that battery. Anyways, I have since replaced the unit with a different car stereo, and I recharged the battery fully and everything's working fine. But I wanted to try out to at least use this unit on my other car, because the one in there, it's already old, and I still like the unit, but of course I don't want it draining my battery. Unfortunately, anyways, these are all the components, so there's not much to it. This is the main board here, so that's everything in there, and this is the back of it. You know, as you can see, there's pretty much nothing else there. So what I wanted to show basically is obviously that you don't have a battery in here. I don't see anything that's burned, obviously, because the unit's still working, but I'm not an electronics expert, so I have no idea why it's draining the car battery. But there is my power supply, which I used to also test it, and so it's not just the, you know, they said you got to change the battery or blah blah blah. Of course, it's not the battery, because it does the same thing with the power supply inside the house. So I do have their other tech support number, which I will try and contact them and see what they say. But obviously I can't change the battery because there is no battery in here, which is what they suggested on the chat line. Even if I look in here, there's nothing there. That's just a PC board with a chip in there on the side. I can't see it that well, but I can. So unless I'm blind as a bat, I don't know what to tell you, but that's pretty much it on this. And well, that's it for this unit, or for this Sony unit. So there you go.